This is the dielectric constant apparatus by using charging and discharging of a capacitor. So first of all, we'll see how to connect the wires. So let's say we'll select the capacitance 1000 microfarad. And now connect the resistance 100K and connect the voltmeter across the capacitor. And now connect the input power supply. Now you can see there are two switches. One is for charging and discharging and the other one is for the stopwatch. Now let's begin with the experiment. For the charging, first of all, the stopwatch switch should be towards stop, as you can see, and charging switch should be towards discharging. Now switch on the apparatus. Now set the charging and discharging switch to charging. As you can see, capacitor is charged. So now we are going to discharge the capacitor by shorting it. So now the capacitor is discharged. Now set the charging discharging switch to charging and start the stop clock. Now at every 5 seconds, note down the readings. Now for discharging, stop the clock and set it to discharging and start. And again note down the readings. Write down these time and voltage readings for the charging and discharging mode in the observation table, and then plot the graph. In the graph there will be a point where the charging and discharging curve crosses each other. That point is P, and note down this time. This time is T1/2. Now for the calculations, we are using 1000 microfarad capacitor, and its thickness of dielectric material is given, area of cross section is given, time taken we have already calculated from the observation table and graph, that is 65 seconds. So by putting these values in the formula, calculate the value of dielectric constant. So here we have done the calculations, and this K for this capacitor is 8.159. Hope you liked the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you for watching the video.